Design teams working in Revit are under constant pressure to deliver coordinated, data-rich models without slowing documentation. Revit 2027 addresses this challenge by introducing greater intelligence inside the model, more automation across production workflows, and a stronger infrastructure. This release focuses on 3 areas: AI and structured data, production efficiency, and a modernized experience. Let's begin with the features where AI and data-driven BIM support your decisions. The Autodesk Assistant for Revit is your agentic design and make partner. Powered by MCP, it delivers content-aware automation through natural language. Access product help in the model's real-time context to query the model, automate documentation workflows, and execute basic modeling actions with text prompts in one place. Save and reuse prompts in the prompt library to streamline repeatable tasks. Revit now runs on the final .NET 10 runtime. Required components install automatically, and add-ins compile against the latest SDK. This keeps the development ecosystem aligned with Microsoft's current .NET support lifecycle. Building on this infrastructure, Dynamo upgrades to .NET 10 and use Python Net 3 for new Python nodes. Core geometry operations execute significantly faster, reducing runtime in complex graphs. Asynchronous package handling improves stability, allowing computational workflows to scale with greater reliability. The next set of enhancements targets production efficiency in documentation workflows. Rule-based numbering eliminates manual renumbering tasks. Defines scope with rule-based filters with priority control. Partition sequences by level, room, or custom parameters. Configure prefixes and digit count, and edit sequences to remove gaps. Numbering adapts dynamically as the model changes, eliminating repetitive correction passes. Leader behavior gains more precise control. Exclude geometry from leader outlines in tag families and define attached or free start and end options. Enhanced snapping improves alignment, reducing drafting adjustments across documentation sets. Multi-category tags can now be set as defaults in loaded tags and symbols. Tag by category and tag all not tagged respect those assignments. Annotation becomes faster and more consistent across sheets. Control line weight sources for linked models directly within visibility and graphic overrides. Choose host or linked tables for lines 1 through 16 without editing object styles. Align documentation outputs across linked models. Sheet expansion behavior in the project browser is now configurable with a right-click toggle. Choose whether sheet nodes expand automatically during view placement, helping maintain focus and navigation speed in large documentation sets. This release completes a multi-year effort to remove the options bar. Placement controls now reside in the contextual ribbon, while parameter definitions remain in the properties palette, reducing interface fragmentation and cognitive switching during production. Refreshed Essential Skills videos are now integrated into Revit 2027 Help or contextually within tooltips. Updated sample models showcase new fit-outs, site and structural enhancements, and key features supporting cross-disciplinary workflows. The final group of updates modernizes performance and graphics behavior. Accelerated Graphics now operates as a fully production-ready graphics pipeline. Complex models render and respond with lower latency during orbit, zoom, pan, and walkthrough navigation. Section box manipulation updates in real time without view regeneration delays. Linked Revit models display accurately inside accelerated views, supporting faster design coordination. Transparency overrides, halftone settings, and linked display configurations match standard 3D view behavior, maintaining visual parity. Large models load faster, and multiple linked instances maintain independent override control while benefiting from the latest graphics technologies. GPU-based acceleration now supports everyday modeling, coordination, and design review workflows rather than serving solely as an experimental mode. Integration with the latest 3D Connection SDK improves stability and delivers smoother camera control in large, coordination-heavy models. Revit 2027 brings intelligence into the model, streamlines documentation workflows, and advances performance throughout your modeling experience. Put these capabilities into production now and strengthen your project delivery with greater confidence. For a detailed breakdown of everything included in this release, explore the help release notes or watch the complete feature series on our YouTube channel.
Ayan, hello, good evening. Once more po, no, I'm showing you our attendance check for this evening. Pa-comment po ng full name nyo. Ayan, thank you so much. Daniel Stephanie Cruz, Meldio Vidal, Richard Celajes, Marvin Romano, Zermay Bermeo, Jans Vega, Sean Liwag. Ayan, shoutout sa ating URS students. Jan Nathaniel Barbacena, Arian G. Pantelion, Christine Ina. Ayan, hi ma'am. Bianca Cuba, Giancarlo Mendoza, Rom Jonel Espejo, Jan Simon D. Garcia, Lawrence Niño Dolor, Von Carlo Balabat, Zefania Gardose, RJM Ponciano, Stephen Sarmiento, Alexandria Borja, John Mikabalo, Nolander Alibadbad. Thank you, Sir Mark Balais, Fatima Gregorio, Frederick Garcia, Lord Delara, Jane Nieves, Craig Santos, Miles Martin, Vincent Manuel, Hannah Mongaya, Aris Fundales, Giovanni Sidayaw, J.M. Tugade, Erica Obias, Sir Danstan, kamusta po? Rhea Anore, Devin Mark Navartay, Jacob Bundilian, Johanna Reyes, Christian Lacno, Miles Martin, Kelly De Guzman, Lawrence Monforte, Randel Ignacio, Bernadette Season, Hyacinth Bespangito, Adam Usi, Jolina Butia, Sherry May De Guzman, Sir Art, Balbuena, Josar Chica, ayan, Carlo Joseph Basero, Aaron Gregory Caramoan, Bulante Jane, ayan, Ma'am Criza Rekinala, Axel Belido. Sa YouTube po yung comment ng attendance natin, ng full name. Hindi po sa StreamYard. Ayan. Sir Renan Lianes, Ma'am Rachel Villaferte, Ma'am Jane Bulante, Alfred Villarreal, Waldon Buising, Giovanni Daraman, Sir John Mark Mirandilla, Sir John M. Manuel Di Mayuga, Brian Del Mundo, Gabriel Tambor, Janela Ancheta, Kendrick Martin, Rafi Sahehol, Leonardo T. De La Cruz, Mark Anthony Senido, Ramon Villarreal, Christian Domingo, Angelo Emmanuel De Leon, Rabi Andrew Baldeo, Alexander Manea, Charis Padlan, Justin Goles. As usual po, please join our group chat para sa ibang topics. Kapareho po nito, hindi ko po, sir, makita ang laman Autodesk projects. Wala pa naman kasing sir, na project. So, unless na si Sir Jomel ay may shinare na files po, kunyari Revit file, dito po niya idadump. Ang maganda lang actually sa pag-join ng training na to, as usual, makakapagtanong po tayo kaysa just looking at a YouTube video na hindi naman siya matatanungan. Yung iba po sumasali talaga sa training natin just for the sake na may makapagtanong. And that's a valuable learning process. May matatanungan ka, di ba? Please contact Sir Mar with whoever account. Sige po, Sir Marvin, check po natin yan.
One day you wake up and realize your ambition has become to design a better world. And from that point forward, you see your life's work in a whole new way. You create, you conceptualize, you fashion, you form. You give shape, space, and ideas a life of their own. You design, model, and visualize. And with the cloud, you simulate. You use automation to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. You communicate, analyze, and share, and you collaborate with others, engineers, architects, designers, and builders, working together in the cloud. You optimize, plan, and fabricate, and then you build. You build the world that you imagine. You realize all of this in Revit.
Ayan po. Again po, no, this training is Autodesk authorized. So, create po kayo ng account nyo dito. Sharing it sa comments. Ayan. Tapos po, again, do not use school email ha, yung urs.edu.ph. Use your professional email po. Yung ating school email ay pag-graduate natin, wala na yan. And probably you may attend our advanced classes like Dynamo, Navisworks. So, again po, no, create an account para mabilis tayong makapag-release ng certificates. So, again, your certification will be coming not from us, but from Autodesk. So, create po kayo ng account dyan habang break tayo. And create an account using your professional email. And of course po, no, paki-make sure na tama po yung name as seen in your government ID. Baka yung iba po sa inyo dyan, gagamitin to sa work or sa Middle East or self-directed CPD. Apply nyo to as self-directed CPD. Mahalaga po na yung name nyo po doon at saka sa government ID ay tugma.
Questo invece è il più antico palazzo comunale della Toscana. I live in Volterra, è una città che ti dà un'ispirazione antica e contemporanea. Sì, i suoi 3000 anni e passa di storia ti danno un'energia.
La storia stessa di Volterra, che nei secoli si è sviluppata, è proprio una prova della forza, della caparbietà dei suoi abitanti, che appunto da 3000 anni prima di Cristo ad adesso continuano ad abitarla, a cercare di farla crescere, di farla vivere.
The most uniquely Volterran thing art-wise is the alabaster trade. They've been carving alabaster here since Etruscan times.
L'alabastro è una pietra molto bella da lavorare. Noi abbiamo una tradizione veramente lunga, perché i primi a lavorare l'alabastro a Volterra sono stati gli Etruschi, quindi si parla di oltre 2500 anni fa. Volterra è l'alabastro è Volterra. Grazie alla Detroit Foundation troveremo i nostri palazzi e ancora le nostre botteghe intatte e potremo ancora vederle. Penso facciano un lavoro magnifico.
We've been coming here for the past 8 years to digitally capture the beauty of this village and bring it into an interactive 3D model. And without the technology that Autodesk has developed, we would not be able to put this together.
I think it's really important to preserve these sites for future generations so that they can continue to experience the richness of the history and the culture of this region.
What I find really striking about historical preservation and heritage preservation is the impact that it can have on a community.
Città abbia bisogno di essere amata nel profondo perché possa vivere ancora altri 3 o 4 o 5.000 anni e possa splendere come ha fatto nel passato.
Wade Trim, our unspoken value is innovation and collaboration. We've really been able to bring a partnership to a lot of our interaction and bring an innovation with a level of technical knowledge and savvy that brings a lot of buy-in.
Wade Trim's focus on technology sets us apart from our competition, but also better data, more intelligent data, and more usable data makes us more valuable to our clients. From project start to the end, and even in proposal stage, we use reality capture all the time at Wade Trim. We invest heavily in reality capture technology, and we live the mantra of capture once, use many. And we need to bring all that data into our design software.
Autodesk products are all throughout the project lifecycle from the beginning. We'll capture the existing conditions, post-process that data, take it into Autodesk Recap Pro, and then from there we could take it into products like Civil 3D or Revit to use as the basis of our design. Before, it was a very lengthy process. Now with great software solutions like Autodesk Recap Pro, we're able to reduce that time into days or weeks.
It's important that we digitalize as much as possible to make that information that we create as accessible as possible to as many people as possible. Along with that comes the collaborative nature of Autodesk Construction Cloud, where it brings all that common data environment together and accessible by our internal staff, external staff, clients, and all the stakeholders.
So whether it's Autodesk Docs, Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro, or Autodesk Build, we're able to streamline the collaboration so everything's in one central location. We can set permissions on the project data so people only have access to what they need to have access to.
Beforehand, I was trading so much email with other design collaborators.
Ayan, going back. Take it away, Sir Joe.
Yes, welcome. I'm back. Nabusog bang lahat? Nakapag-dinner bang lahat? Kapag-kape na ba? Ayan. So, right now, I'll be using 2023 since I have shared a model for you guys for training materials. Download nyo na lang yung link na pre-provide ko sa comment section or sa ating group chat. So, magagamit nyo yan either ngayon or tomorrow. Kung kaya nyo akong sabayan nyo ako. Ayan. So right now, in here, makikita natin yung ating software na Revit. Mapapansin natin dito yung recent file and Autodesk Docs, which is na napag-usapan natin kanina. Anong version yung gagamitin natin, I mean mga model, saan nakalagay yung working data natin. So ito, magkakaroon lang kayo nito pag inawardan kayo ng inyong mga BIM manager. So since for the training purposes, papakita ko na yung ang aming ginagawa sa BIM industry for nagde-design. So most of us right now in the Philippines, they are working with local network or pero kami since remote kami, international company, nasa cloud kami. So inaward sa amin to ng aming manager para dito kami magtrabaho. So papasimplehan ko na pag mag-start na tayo. So sabayan niyo lang kung kaya nyo kung mga naka-dual screen. So we need to do a model. So right, click natin tong model. Tapos yung new. Yung iba, may nakalagay dyan na multidisciplinary, ganyan. So sa akin, ang 2023, ang nakalagay dito is construction, architectural, structural, mechanical. Since mag-i-start tayo sa mechanical, yun nga sinabi ko, MEP. So hierarchy natin, MEP, mauna ang mechanical. So unahin ng mechanical, and then meron tayo makikita dito, project or project template. Alin ang pipiliin natin dyan, sir? So, pag mag-create tayo ng model, we should choose project. Pag dito kasing project template, dito ka gagawa ng iyong standard or template ng company mo. Ayan. kung ikaw ay BIM coordinator. So meron tayong 3 stages ng BIM. So the BIM modeler, the BIM coordinator, and the BIM manager. So yan, ang gumagawa dito sa project template, karamihan is the coordinator, and then sinusupport siya ng ating BIM manager sa pag-create ng template. Pero meron na rin mga company ngayon, yung trabaho ng coordinator, pinapagawa niya kay BIM modeler or BIM engineer, BIM technician. So, ayan, template yung iba, walang makikitang mechanical. Inuulit ko, yung iba, naka 2027, naka 2026. Ang meron dyan is multidisciplinary template. Pwede nyo nang downloadin, gamitin yung multidisciplinary. Kung wala naman, multidisciplinary or walang mechanical, walang template na nakikita, pwede nyo mag-browse saan nakalagay yung ating mga templates. Pwede mo gamitin ang ating template na mechanical default metric. Ayan. Marami kang makikitang template dito. So right now, you would choose the mechanical default or metric. So yan ang lang gagamitin ko, the template. So next, create new. Okay? Create new na tayo. Oh, ayan. So, may sinend akong ano sa inyo, link, training files. So, in here, makikita natin yung pag nag-create tayo ng ating new model. Ito na agad ang interface natin na makikita pag nag-open. So, inulit ko, para mapabilis ang inyong pagmamodel, you should command KS or your keyboard shortcut. KS, hanapin nyo, manage link. Yan, manage link. Yan. Ko-command ko ML. Kasi manage link. So, yan, manage link. Yan. Para, pwede rin dito, makikita mo na rin dito sa insert and then manage link. Yan. Since naglagay ako ng ating shortcut, meron tayong nakikitang ML. So, yung ML na yan, lalabas ngayon kung yung ating prompt na manage link, Revit, IFC, CAD format, DFW markup,